Hello everyone. Today let's understand the key factor that could influence the USD/INR in coming days, with the US CPI data being the important event to watch. The US July CPI data is expected to play an important role in shaping expectations around Federal Reserve upcoming interest rate decision. The market will particularly focus on core inflation as it provides a clearer picture of underlying price pressure. If the CPI comes in higher than expected, especially the core CPI, the markets could start pricing in a more cautious Fed Reserve. This could push US Treasury yields and the dollar higher, putting pressure on the Indian rupee and potentially pushing USD/INR higher. The second major factor is the crude oil. Brent is currently trading around $89 per barrel, with geopolitical uncertainty and continued concerns around the Strait of Hormuz keep the price elevated. For India, higher crude oil prices are particularly important because India is major oil importer. An increase in crude oil prices raises the country's import bill and increase demand for dollar, which can put additional pressure on the rupee. The RBI's response will also be important if USD/INR experiences excessive volatility or sharp move higher. The RBI may intervene through the dollar sale in spot and forward markets. However, the objective would generally be to manage excessive volatility rather than defending a particular level. Now, looking at the technical picture, USD/INR has currently recovered after finding support around 94.90 to 95 zone. The pair has moved back above 50-day SMA at 95.37, which have improved the near-term setup. However, the 25-day SMA at 95.78 remains an immediate hurdle. A sustained move above this level could strengthen bullish momentum and open way towards 96 to 96.20. On the downside, 95.30, 95.35 is the immediate support zone. Below that, 94.90 remains the key structural support, supported by 100-day SMA and the lower boundary of linear regression channel. As long as 94.90 holds, the broader uptrend remains intact. Thank you for watching.